evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the E-mini S&P futures. Today is Friday, October 14th, 2011. The following are examples of trade setups that occur on a regular basis. Today we are showing zero trade setups for zero profit or loss. The market opened up at 1213.50, represented by the white dotted line. From 9:30 until 9:45 is called a no trade zone. That's because we don't know what direction the bulls or the bears are going to push, and we let them fight it out. Coming out of the actually there was a news report at 8:30 this morning. Retail sales were actually up, but consumer sentiment that came out here at 9:55 indicated relatively flat to within consensus range, kind of negative. So they were saying that the sentiment was down, but the retail sales were up. With that being said, we were going to have a sideways chop. It was just, we could feel it as soon as the market opened, and that's what we had. We had no valid trade setups. You'll notice that opening price held for support, held for resistance, held for support, just wrapping itself around opening price. Market sold off a little bit here, a little bit of retracement. None of these gave us any opportunities to get short or get long. You'll notice that the yellow trades are a period, what's called a tangled net. That's when all of the moving averages all kind of consolidate together within about 6 ticks, and it's just a period of congestion and no real trade confirmation to the long or to the short side. However, I did take a couple of these trades, so I'm going to show them, but I'm not counting them for the purposes of this video because they weren't valid. They were not valid setups with a tangled net. In the meantime, we had an opportunity to get long. I got stopped out for -2 ticks. An opportunity to get short. I got stopped out for -2 ticks. An opportunity to get long did not get filled. That one would have completed T1 and T2. If we don't get filled, I'm not going to count it. Had an opportunity to get short. Target 1 was hit. Got stopped out for -2 ticks. Again, this was all during a period of what's called a tangled net. Market sold off, went into the no trade zone. This is a period of higher volatility, lower volume, that we don't usually start any new trades. Coming out of the no trade zone, again we found resistance at the opening price. Another opportunity to get short, still in a tangled net. Target 1 was hit, got stopped out. I'm anxious, just like I fell into the same trap as a lot of traders fall. I got anxious and I did break my rules and I got in on these tangled net trades. In the meantime, we broke through opening price, found support, took off to the upside, still no opportunities to get in. We had a top out here at 1220. I was telling everybody at first that 1220 was the line in the sand. The bulls want to close this market above 1220 for us to continue up next week. Market sold off. We had an opportunity to pull back. Target 1 and Target 2 were hit for a total of 9 ticks. This was a valid trade setup. I simply did not call it. I didn't see it. Other traders in the room may have seen it. I was away from the desk for a short period of time, came back, and this had already been completed. So I'm not going to count it. We had zero setups for zero profit or loss. Choppy Friday afternoon. Going into the no trade zone at 4 o'clock. Sideways movement. Finally pushed up here to the 1221 area. I want to thank you for watching. To learn more about these and more advanced trade setups, or to get a copy of the Trader Shark Trading Manual, please visit TraderShark.com. And I'll see you in the Shark Den on Monday.